Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Jet2 application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below and click on search flights at the top. Then you should select the type of trip, such as return or one way. After that, you should choose your departure airport. Here you can see that you have these options here, but you can also find the nearest to you if you set the or you enable the app to have access to your location. Then after selecting, tap on the button done. Then you should select your destination airport, click on done again. You should set the date, so your return and departure date, tap on done. And after that you should select the number of passengers. Click on find flights down below. You will be able to browse among the available flight options. So here you can find them. And if you want to select the return flight, tap on the return flight button and you will be able to select it and finalize the method of payment and booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.